New at 5:30, a Palm Coast social club will reopen next week after leaders say it had an outbreak of COVID-19 cases.
Yeah, News 6's Lauren Korn spoke with the social club president and a volunteer about how they're moving forward.
When we found out the next day, we shut the place down.
Renovations underway at the Social Club of Palm Coast before Monday's reopening, after club president George April says dozens tested positive for COVID-19 during a live music event last month. The club taking to Facebook on September 12th, calling it a COVID outbreak and trying to notify everyone who attended.
The only thing I had was a headache for one day. I took 2 Tylenol, it was gone, but I tested positive.
April says the club followed CDC guidelines, wore masks, took temperatures, and asked questions to the 60 members. A group of people that he says was well under the 50% capacity.
We want to get things back in business.
The private club is now replacing carpet with hardwood floors, sanitizing dishes and furniture, and deep cleaning the facility once a week.
This place is going to be so clean.
Paula Tardif is a social club member and volunteer who also tested positive for the virus last month. She says she promises to continue enforcing all guidelines before anyone walks through the door.
We want to make sure other people come and know that they will be safe. So it's up to all of us that work here, volunteer, whatever, that make sure that these things occur.
The health department says it cannot comment on COVID-19 cases associated with the club, but says in part, quote, social activities at private clubs have recently generated dozens of cases, several hospitalizations, and 2 deaths. It is extremely unfortunate, but these infections could have been avoided.
We're trying to do everything we can to make sure it doesn't happen again, but you never know.
In Palm Coast, Lauren Korn getting results, News 6.